Hello, this is the latest iteration of my Nixie tube clock project. What you see here are four IN-14 tubes being direct driven by Supertex HV5812p driver chips. These are intended for use with VFDs, but they work just fine for Nixies. Originally, I was trying to multiplex these to save money and power, but what ended up happening is that I had to make a lot of support hardware like anode controller, cathode controller, all sorts of separate bulky components, and then I had problems with ghosting as well, and I ended up just wasting a bunch of money. And it would have been a lot cheaper to start out using these Supertex chips and direct driving them. On top of that, it's also brighter than it was when I was multiplexing it, because with multiplexing, in my multiplexing scheme, the maximum brightness is 50% without compromising tube life, at least. So this is what I ended up with, and it works great. The Supertex are very reliable. There's no flickering of any kind, and it looks a lot nicer than it did when I was multiplexing it. So for anyone considering multiplexing versus direct drive in a build, I would personally recommend direct drive unless you're under very specific circumstances, like you need to conserve power or something. But realistically, you can get as much power as you need to for this many Nixie tubes fairly easily.